Welcome to this new video, and today we are in Gilgit-Baltistan. This is on the way to Hunza. We are passing towards the Passu Cones, which is 3 mountains that come together. I'm about to take off my drone to get the stunning view of the mountains. This is me taking off the drone, and as you can see, it's a really hot day and the ice glaciers are melting. Just across you can see there are 3 mountains that are coming together. Those are the mountains from China, the Himalayas and the Pakistani K2. It's a beautiful, stunning view. We have taken off my drone. In fact, if you see that we are going to take the drone forward, going downwards, and this is the takeoff of the drone. And here we go with the drone. We are going to take the camera, tilt it a bit slightly down to get the view of the beautiful roads that are just passing through the mountains. It is a stunning view, and indeed it's a lovely place to visit. I would definitely recommend people going to see this place, and you can see it's a lovely route. I wish I could stay longer, and I wish to go to Pakistan again. And catch me in my next video where I will give you some more updates.